Hello YouTube, anyways, today I have a DIY slash Valentine's Day gift ideal slash card holder. So what you're going to need is some flowers of some sort if you're using this for like a gift ideal or DIY. If you're not going to make it for like a card holder. Then you are going to need an old chip can of some kind. Then you're going to need some paper and then some stickers and some sort of heart stuff or whatever decorations you choose. So then you will also need glue, different types of glue, and hot glue maybe too. So first what you're going to, or even tape will work for this part. You're going to take the paper that you have and then glue it together with whatever kind of glue you want. You can also cut it to size if you wanted a certain size, and you're going to just glue it down the seam. So I'm going to take some glue and glue it. I think I'm just going to take spray glue, or even hot glue would, or glue glue. And glue things together. And that looks very good. So then I'm going to take this glue and then add some of this glue. This should work. You're gonna have to hold it for a few seconds. So this is like also an upcycling project. Yeah, hot glue might work the best, honestly. So I'm gonna grab the hot glue and we're gonna glue it together with hot glue. So actually we're gonna use hot glue to glue this together. I need a couple dots of hot glue. Or you could use tape to tape it together if you don't have hot glue. I'm just going to glue that together. Okay, it's getting better. You might want to make sure that then you're going to add your decoration pieces to wherever you want. I'm going to put mine there. You can put a little bit of glue or hot glue on the back, whatever kind of glue you want. And you're going to start gluing it on. I might have to hold it for a few seconds. And just start gluing it together. Also, you can use stickers too. And I have some stickers over here that I'm going to turn it. And I'm going to grab the sticker right here and put the sticker on here. You can also add glue if you use stickers to it as well underneath, or you might have to add some more glue at certain points in times. Then just kind of keep adding pieces to it. And once you get it to where you want, you can take off this lid. Or even, like, and then if you want to use it for card holder, you just put it in there. If you want to use it for Valentine's Day decoration, you put these in there and just take off the lid and throw it away. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. See ya!